Hi, and welcome. I'm Katie McAfee with Cloud Adoption Solutions, and today we're going to talk about user licenses unlocked, what they do, and what is the difference. If you've ever tried setting up a new user in Salesforce, you know that the first question you hit is this: which user license do I pick? There are a lot of options, and they can look confusing if you don't know what each one means. In this short video, we're going to break down some of the main Salesforce user licenses, what they are, who uses them, and which ones might cost extra. And here's the one golden rule. Every user in Salesforce must have exactly one user license. So what is a user license? A Salesforce user license is essentially your user's official personalized access pass. It's the contractual agreement that defines the entire scope of access and use for that individual user within your organization, spelling out exactly which products and functionalities they are entitled to touch. Here are some of your basic Salesforce licenses: Chatter External, Chatter Free, Force.com App Subscription, Force.com Free, Identity, Partner App Subscription, Salesforce Integration, Salesforce Platform, and Work.com only. We're going to be talking about several of these today. When we talk about licenses in Salesforce, we're really talking about three layers of access. The top layer, the base license, determines what features are available at the most fundamental level. And next we have feature licenses. These are add-ons that unlock specific Salesforce functionality, like marketing, knowledge, and WDC access. Permission set licenses provide even more granular access, often for advanced tools like Tableau, Einstein, and things of that nature. The key takeaway: a user's profile and permissions can only grant access that their base license supports. The full power Salesforce license. The most common and powerful base license is simply called Salesforce. So who uses it? Internal users who need access to standard CRM objects, like accounts, contacts, opportunities, cases, and campaigns. When to use it? When the user needs full access to Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and most AppExchange apps. The cost. This is the premium license, and it's the main one included with the Salesforce Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited editions. If you go to add a new user and the Salesforce license option doesn't appear in the list, that usually means that you've used all your available seats and will need to purchase more from your Salesforce account executive. Platform and Force.com licenses. Next, let's talk about Salesforce Platform and Force.com app subscription licenses. These are ideal for users who don't need access to core CRM objects like leads or opportunities, but who do need access to custom apps or business processes built on the Salesforce platform. Who uses it? Employees in departments like HR, finance, or operations who use Salesforce for custom apps rather than Sales Cloud. When to use it? When users need to create, edit, and report on custom objects, accounts, and contacts, but don't need access to campaigns or opportunities. Cost. Platform licenses are usually cheaper than Salesforce licenses. You may see versions like Platform Starter for 10 custom objects or Platform Plus, 110 custom objects. There's also a Salesforce Platform Login license, which is login-based, great for users who only sign in occasionally. Integration and analytics licenses. Some licenses aren't meant for typical employees. They're for system processes that connect or secure your org. Integration user. This user handles system-to-system connections, API calls, and automation. It usually has the Salesforce integration license. Analytics Cloud integration user. Used by Tableau CRM or Einstein Analytics to move data in and out of dashboards. Analytics Cloud security user. Manages permissions and data security for analytics features. These users are usually service accounts, not people, but they still need licenses to authenticate and interact with Salesforce securely. Limited, external, and free licenses. Not every user needs full CRM access, and thankfully not every license costs money. Chatter free licenses let users collaborate through Chatter groups, profiles, and files, but they can't view records or use the API. Partner app subscription licenses are for external users in Experience Cloud, like vendors or partners who log in to manage their own accounts or deals. Force.com Free provides limited internal access, often used for very lightweight app users. Work.com Only is designed for performance and coaching tools. These licenses are great for engagement, collaboration, or partner portals without adding full CRM cost. Editions, costs, and license management. Here's a quick recap of what's included in different editions. Professional Edition includes Salesforce licenses for full CRM use, but limited configuration options. Enterprise Edition adds platform licenses, more automation, and API access. Unlimited Edition includes all of the above, plus advanced customization and analytics support. To check your own license usage, go to Setup, Company Information, and scroll down to User Licenses, just like I have here. You'll see exactly how many you own, how many are in use, and how many are available. What we've covered today is just the foundation, the core Salesforce editions and their main licenses. But once you start exploring your own org, you're going to see a lot more, depending on your company's setup, integrations, and communities. Don't worry if you see a bunch of unfamiliar ones. Every license has a purpose, and now you know where to find and see what your org has. Remember, your license determines what the user can access. Permissions and profiles only work within the boundaries of that license. If this video helped you understand Salesforce licensing a little better, hit like and subscribe for more quick admin tips. Thanks, and see you in the next video.